Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.